You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words. They are the same word but different function, different meaning. As a noun, it's pronounced as console, as in a video game, gaming, console, a stress on the first syllable. Now, as a verb, this also exists as a verb. When somebody is sad, you want to console him or her, make her feel better. Console, to console, stress on the second syllable. So two different pronunciations in English. As a noun, console. As a verb, console. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.